A reactor, also known as a line reactor, is a coil wired in series between 2 points in a power system. Its primary functions include 1. Current limiting and filtering. Reactors limit the flow of current, especially during motor startup or when capacitors are switched on. By increasing impedance, they reduce inrush current, preventing voltage sags that could trip other equipment. 2. Voltage sag prevention. When motors start, reactors effectively reduce the impact of sudden current demands. This prevents voltage sags that might disrupt other devices connected to the same power grid. 3. Inverter and speed regulator. Protection. Large motors often have reactors placed in front of inverters or speed regulators. Reactors prevent harmful ramp waves generated by rectifier units from affecting the power grid. Ramp waves can damage power compensation capacitors and lead to inadequate reactive power compensation. 4. Neutral line and voltage balance. Reactors help maintain a balanced three-phase voltage. Without them, excessive current in the neutral line can cause it to burn and drift. Low-power items may experience increased voltage, potentially damaging electrical equipment. Installing reactors mitigates these issues, ensuring stable operation. Feel free to like and follow for more informative 3D videos.